Hello, this is Bill Liu. I am teaching AP Biology and Pre-AP Chemistry for IDEA Judson College Prep, and I'm here to show you how you're going to view your assignments to download and complete throughout the course of the year. So, I teach a number of Pre-AP Chemistry and AP Biology classes. What I'm going to show you is the 5AB model, and here what you're going to do is you have different assignments that are due at different times. So let's say you want to complete your light calculations homework and you want to make it up to make sure that you did it correctly. So you're going to go to assignments, you're going to go to your class tab, so this is 5th period, and you're going to go to light calculations homework. You'll go to student view, and under student view, what you're going to do is you're going to be able to view the assignment on under light calculations, and you can view the assignment, edit the document, make edits, and you can upload it. What you're going to do is you're going to complete the assignment, make sure you complete all the blanks, answer the question, and what you're going to do is you're eventually going to reach the point where you can answer the question, make sure you type in what you need to type in, and you can even download this as a PDF and use it on Paint to complete whatever assignment that you have. All right? So that's for Pre-AP Chemistry. Now for AP Biology, what you have, you go back. So you're going to go back to the assignments page. Choose your class. You're going to go to AP Biology 6th period. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on the assignment that you need to complete. Here's the biomolecules assignment. You're going to go to student view. You're going to click student work. And you're going to complete this biomolecules chart with the elements, the function, the monomer, polymer, and examples for each of the different biomolecules here. You can include pictures from online, but make sure you document them and post the assignment with the requisite website address. So I appreciate your time, and if you have any questions, you can reach me at williamliu@ideapublicschools.org. Okay? That's at the top of your screen. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am an email away from contacting you back. All right? Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye.